Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet by Hamna. So dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. So my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, today video is very great designing ideas, and today I am showing our all height trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, in most demanding crochet flower patterns. So lovely friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find an all trendy ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. Hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. My dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, I will try my best to share all new ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. So lovely friends, you can get ideas and take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection.